Ever wondered how to achieve financial freedom or generate a passive income stream? It's an enticing concept, isn't it? The idea of building a life where your income isn't tied to the hours you clock in, but instead flows continuously, empowering you to live on your own terms. This is the power of financial freedom and passive income. Now let's talk about how to make this a reality. Enter Fundwise Partners, a unique platform that offers you a gateway to financial independence, transforming dreams into reality. With Fundwise, you're not just earning. You're building a sustainable income stream, a financial cushion that allows you to explore, innovate, and grow. Fundwise Partners presents a world of opportunities, empowering you to take charge of your financial destiny. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a life that's truly yours. This video will guide you through the process of making money with Fundwise Partners. First things first, let's clarify who Fundwise Partners are. They are a dedicated team of financial wizards who have made it their mission to bridge the gap between ambitious entrepreneurs and the funding they need to turn their dreams into reality. Their services are vast, ranging from business loans to lines of credit and even venture capital. Fundwise Partners have a proven track record in securing funding, with a whopping 75% success rate. But what sets them apart is their unwavering commitment to their clients. They don't just secure funds, they empower businesses, helping them understand and navigate the complex world of finance. They believe in the power of entrepreneurship and are committed to fostering its growth. So they don't just work for you, they work with you. Now that you know who Fundwise Partners are, let's dive into how you can make money with them. Making money with Fundwise Partners is a straightforward process. It's all about following a clear step-by-step process and taking advantage of the resources and support that Fundwise provides. The first step is to join Fundwise Partners. This is a simple process that involves signing up on their website. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to a range of resources, including training materials and a dedicated support team. These are designed to help you understand the ins and outs of Fundwise and how you can maximize your earnings. Step 2 is all about learning. Fundwise provides a comprehensive training program that covers everything you need to know about the business. This includes learning about the services offered by Fundwise, understanding the customer acquisition process, and mastering the art of referrals. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more successful you'll be. The third step involves putting what you've learned into action. This is where you start to acquire customers for Fundwise. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's easier than you might think. Fundwise provides you with marketing materials and a proven strategy for reaching out to potential customers. You can use these resources to start building your customer base. Step 4 is where the magic happens. This is where you start earning commissions. For each customer you bring in who successfully obtains funding from Fundwise, you'll earn a commission. The more customers you bring in, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. The final step is to rinse and repeat. The beauty of Fundwise Partners is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more customers you acquire, the more commissions you'll make. So once you've started earning, the key is to keep going. Keep learning, keep acquiring customers, and keep earning commissions. Throughout this process, Fundwise Partners is there to support you. They offer ongoing training and support to help you succeed. Plus, they provide you with all the tools and resources you need to effectively market their services and acquire customers. In addition to this, Fundwise Partners also offers a rewarding incentive program. The more customers you bring in, the more rewards you can earn. These can range from cash bonuses to luxury trips. So not only can you earn commissions, but you can also enjoy some incredible perks along the way. The process of making money with Fundwise Partners is all about taking advantage of the resources and support they provide. It's about learning, taking action, and earning commissions. And remember, the sky's the limit. The more effort you put in, the more you can earn. As you can see, the process is simple and straightforward. But how much can you really earn? Really, one of the most exciting aspects of partnering with Fundwise is the earning potential. Imagine a commission structure designed to reward you generously for your efforts. At Fundwise Partners, that's exactly what we've built. For each successful referral, you earn a hefty percentage of the funds raised. This isn't small change, folks. We're talking about substantial earnings that can significantly boost your income. But let's not just talk in abstracts. Let's look at some real-world examples of successful partners. Take Jane, for instance. She started with Fundwise Partners just a year ago. With her dedication and hard work, Jane managed to refer a handful of successful projects each month. Now she's earning a 5-figure income on a regular basis. Then there's Robert. He saw the potential in Fundwise partners and decided to scale up. Robert built a team to help him find potential projects. Now, he's not just earning from his own referrals but also from the efforts of his team. Robert's story is a testament to the scalability of our model. But what if you're more interested in passive income? Well, Fundwise Partners has got you covered there as well. Once you've referred a successful project, you continue to earn from it year after year, as long as it stays active. That's the beauty of residual income. It allows you to build a steady, reliable stream of earnings that keeps flowing even when you're not actively working. The bottom line is this: Fundwise Partners offers an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to increase their income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that rewards hard work, initiative, and dedication. Whether you're interested in a side hustle or a full-time gig, Fundwise Partners can provide the platform and the potential. With commitment and effort, the sky's the limit with Fundwise Partners. Are you ready to take the next step towards financial freedom? If you've been nodding along, visualizing your future with Fundwise Partners, it's time to put that imagination into action. It's time to say yes to the opportunities that lie ahead. It's time to join a community that works for you, that empowers you, that helps you grow. Fundwise Partners is more than just a platform. It's a ladder to your financial freedom. It's a place where your entrepreneurial spirit finds its perfect match in the form of endless opportunities. Remember, with Fundwise Partners, you're not just earning, you're building a stable future, a legacy. Finding your way to us is easy. You can visit our website for more information or reach out to our dedicated team who are always ready to guide you through the process. Let your journey towards financial freedom start with us. Don't wait. Join Fundwise Partners today and start your journey towards financial freedom.